Hello there once again. Welcome back to our Exam Review 4 series. This time we'll be doing problem 2a, and our problem is to solve this inequality. 2 times absolute value of 2x minus 5 plus 3 is less than 11. The first step is going to be to get the absolute value by itself. So the first thing we'll move is this 3. Let's say minus 3 to both sides. The 3 cancels out, and we'll have 2 times absolute value of 2x minus 5 less than 8. Now, divide by the 2 that's in front of the absolute value. The 2 will cancel out once again, and we'll have absolute value of 2x minus 5 less than 4. To solve an absolute value inequality, we'll split it into a positive version and negative version. In the positive version, we'll start with 2x minus 5 equals 4. And for the negative version, we'll have 2x minus 5 equals negative 4. The only thing we change is the sign of the 4. Now we'll solve this equation on the left, 2x minus 5 equals 4. Let's add 5 to both sides. This will cancel the 5, giving us 2x equals 9. If we divide both sides by 2, we'll get x equals 9 halves. We'll hang on to that for later. Now let's do the negative side. Once again, we add 5 to both sides, just like we did in the other equation. 5 minus 4 gives 1 equals 2x. Now divide by 2, and our other solution is x equals 1 half. With the two solutions we've just found, the 9 halves and the 1 halves, let's go to the number line. Now, first we need to check the inequality sign that they gave us in the condition. It is strictly less than, so that means we will be doing open circles on our number line. So let's place 1 half, should be next to 0, and the 9 halves should be further to the right. Those open circles are going to split our number line into regions, region A, B, and C. Now we need to select an x value inside of region A and see if that satisfies the condition that we started with. Let's try x equals 0 in region A. So let's plug in 0 for the x. We'll have 2 times x minus 5 inside of absolute value, and insert the 0 where the x was. 2 times 0 is 0. Minus 5 gives us absolute value of negative 5. If we take the absolute value, we'll have 5. And then we need to check to see if that is less than 4. Well, 5 is definitely not less than 4. So that's going to be false, and A will not be part of the answer. Now move on to region B. Let's try x equals 1, because that's in between 1 half and 9 halves. We'll have absolute value of 2 times 1 minus 5, and let's do the math. 2 times 1 is 2, minus 5 gives absolute value negative 3. Then we take the absolute value of negative 3 and get positive 3, and then we see if that's less than the 4 that we had earlier. Well, this statement will be true, so B will be part of the answer. We try again on region C. We need an x that's bigger than 9 halves. I'm going to do x equals 10. So we'll have 2 times 10 minus 5. 2 times 10 is 20. Minus 5 gives absolute value of 15. Absolute value of any positive number is just itself. So we check to see if 15 is less than 4, but it isn't, and that statement is false, meaning C is also not part of the answer. So there's only one region that fits the condition, region B. And so our answer will be region B, which is 1/2, 9/2, both with open parentheses. And that's how you solve the inequality. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.